have the chance to rediscover the tracks that's been released on that legendary label in our way.
Re-recorded in a way that people are still reminded of the original thing, but they instantly hear, okay, this is Berlin, this is Jazzanova, this has been recorded by these guys that know what they're doing since, I don't know, 20 years or so.
They were sitting at the boards one day and they were like listening to Creative Musicians, and he was like, man, this reminds me of when we were first starting to make beats. And I was like, yes, because I want you to have that feeling. I want you guys to be excited. And if you're that excited, it's gonna come across in the recording.